Germs are everywhere. No matter where you go or what you touch, there is some form of virus or bacteria present. That's why PromoGuard should be your go-to place for all germ-free products. We're the world-exclusive distributor of XTI 360 germ-free, odor-free, nano-coated products which are 100% safe, green, and don't contain any chemical binders. PromoGuard products destroy and vaporize all viruses and bacteria, including COVID-19. How amazing is that? This is the only place you will find self-cleaning products that are anti-germ for at least a year and work even in the dark. Our products can be purchased for schools, events, corporations, or even for personal use. Do you need any germ-free products? Click here to purchase and enjoy a germ-free environment.